quite realizing it, of course. Except maybe in your dreams.
What man can remember his own dream?
At least when our ship was approaching from space, you remembered enough to warn us off. But then, when you thought we were threatening your little egomaniac empire, your subconscious sent its it monster out again. More deaths, Morbius. More murder.
And now this too? Harm my own daughter?
But now she's defying you, Morbius. Even in you, the loving father, there still exists the mindless primitive. More enraged and more inflamed with each new frustration. So now you're whistling up your monster again. To punish her for her disloyalty and disobedience. And if you don't do something about it soon, Morbius, it's going to be coming right through that door.
Solid Krell metal, 26 inches thick.
Look at your gauges. Look. That machine is going to supply your monster with whatever amount of power it requires to reach it. Look now. Red hot. Soon it'll be white hot. Then it'll soften and melt.
Say you don't believe this, okay? Tell me you don't. That must be true. Yes, I must be killing.
Help us, Doc. I've known you great and noble like the crown. Father.
Son. Turn that disc. The switch. Throw it. In 24 hours, you must be 100 million miles out in space. The Krell furnaces. Chain reaction. They cannot be reversed. All...
No.
98.6. We're clear now. What an astrogator.
A genuine privilege, Commander.
Activate main view plate.
Aye, aye, Skipper.
That's Altair 4, the bright speck below the star. 15 seconds. Yes, Altair. Your father, my shipmates, all the stored knowledge of the Krell. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Out. About 1 million years from now, the human race will have crawled up to where the Krell stood in their great moment of triumph and tragedy. Your father's name will shine again, like a beacon in the galaxy. It's true, it will remind us that we are, after all, not God.